my gems, welcome back. So today I'm in Target. As you can see, I'm in a makeup aisle, about to do a little makeup shopping. So I guess I decided I'll take you guys along with me, see what I pick up. I'm probably not gonna have the sound on because I don't want to get copyright infringements from the music Target is playing. So I'll just show you guys what I'm picking up, and yeah, I'll do a little haul a little later. I might pick up some new foundation. I don't know. I want to try some new foundations. So yeah, I'll show you guys a little later what it is that I picked up. Peace out. Again, love NYX. This palette here is cute. I like the colors they have in it. Warm neutral colors. I don't know why this thing won't focus, but yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this glitter primer. I see Natasha S. She always uses this, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it and give it a chance because hey, it's makeup. If you don't like it, oh well. Y'all, look at this palette here. The Off the Tropics by NYX. These colors are freaking amazing. That's going in the bag too. Guys, you know what I don't see in my local Target? Oh, I'm lying. I just found it. I was going to say e.l.f. I done passed by it 3 times and I'm just finding it. Let's see if I can pick me up some quick little brushes. Alright guys, so this is all I'm going to pick up from Target. Now I'm going to go grocery shopping. Alright guys, so today I'm making baked spaghetti like I told you guys before. So I'm just over here in the spaghetti / pasta aisle to get my sauce. Hello. To get my sauce and my noodles. I don't really see the sauce that I want. I like the Prego mushroom, but I don't see it. It's not good. Oh, found it in a little jar though. Alright guys, so for my spaghetti, I like to put in bell peppers, all 3 colors, red, orange, green, and also, see, he knows his mama. And I also like to put onions and mushrooms. And I don't think I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna just use these. Since they already packaged stuff, I'm gonna use these 3. And then I don't use ground beef. I don't really like beef. So I'm gonna use ground turkey and probably some chicken sausage. Y'all should try it. If you never tried it, try it. So this is the turkey that I use. It's the Gemini lean, 99% and 1% fat. And then sometimes I get either this Italian sausage or I get the sausage that's in the case and I just squeeze it out. But for today, I'm gonna get this one and mix these 2 together, and it's gonna be so freaking good. All right, y'all. So we leaving Target now. I'm about to head home so I can cook, and then after I cook, I'm gonna be doing another video. Y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all not gonna wanna miss it.
Make sure you subscribe and like.
Like she always say, make sure you subscribe and like. But yeah, I'll see you when I get to the house to start cooking. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little rundown of what it is that I'm gonna be putting in my spaghetti. I have my orange, yellow, red bell peppers. I have an onion. I have some fresh garlic. And for the seasoning, I'm going to be putting seasoning salt, nature seasoning, lemon pepper, this adobo, and I put 2 different hot sauce. I put the Jamaican hot sauce and I put crystals. So I'll be back after I cut everything up to show you guys the little medley I have going on. And yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, as you can see, I have everything cut up So now I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. Alright guys, as you can see, I went ahead and added the bell peppers and the onions to the pot. I didn't add my garlic because, as you know, if you're a real cooker, garlic can burn really quick. So I'm gonna put that in the pot after my onions and stuff cook down a little bit. I also have my water boiling back here, so I'll be back when I add the garlic. So the onions and bell peppers cooked down enough. I went ahead and added my garlic in. I'm gonna just go ahead and mix that around. And yeah, I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit, and then I'll be back when I add the meat. Alright guys, so I'm going ahead and I'm adding my turkey in. Like I said before, it's the Gemini lean turkey. Mash that down a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my hot Italian sausage. Make sure you take this paper off the back of your sausage before you start mixing it into your spaghetti. So it's basically equal parts of the ground turkey and the sausage. Alright guys, while my meat is still raw, I like to go ahead and season it so the flavors can actually go into the meat and not sit on top of it after it's done. So I went ahead and added a little bit of that Jamaican hot sauce. Ooh, add a little bit of this crystal. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of seasoning salt, not a lot.
Perfect.
It may look like a lot, y'all, but it's not a lot, I promise. Add some adobo. I don't put a lot of seasoning salt because this one here has a lot of salt in it by itself. So I don't need a lot of seasoning salt. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon pepper. And then my all-time favorite, this Nature's Own. Let me see if it's open because I know it's brand new. Alright, so. And I'm going to add that. Keep in mind, it may look like a lot, but I also have to add the sauce, and the sauce doesn't have enough seasoning in it for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking this meat down, and then when it's done, I'll come back and show you guys before I add the sauce. Guys, so I went and added the sauce to my meat sauce, and don't that just look so freaking good? Only if y'all could smell it. Ugh. Well, it is so good. I actually tasted a little bit to make sure it had enough seasoning, and it is just right. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my noodles back in the pot and mix this thing all together. Alright guys, so I have the spaghetti already in the pan. I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese on top. That looks so good. After I finish putting the cheese on top, I'm going to go ahead and pop it in the oven. I have the oven preset for 375 just so the cheese can melt. And I'll show you guys the final product when I pull it out.